Hello students, this is Sunny Kashyap here with a new chapter, that is sports nutrition. Meaning of nutrition: the science of food and its relationship to health. It deals with the dynamic process in which the food consumed is digested, nutrients are absorbed, distributed to the tissues for utilization, and wastage are disposed of to the body. Now, meaning of sports nutrition. Sports nutrition is the practical science of hydrating and fueling before, during, and after the competition. First topic is balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Balanced diet is that diet which contains all nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals etc. in correct proportion for efficient working of the body. The food should be easily digestible. It is the basic requirement of every individual, and every individual does not require same type of diet. Balanced diet is divided into three parts. First one is energy yielding food, second one is body building food, and third one is defensive food. Energy yielding food. It consists of carbohydrates and fats. This food has to provide energy to individual for his workouts or activities. Carbohydrates should be 60 to 70% in our diet. Fat should not exceed 5 to 10% in our diet. The second type of balanced diet is bodybuilding food. It consists of proteins. It helps in the growth and development of the body. It helps to repair or replace the worn tissues. Protein should be 15 to 20% in our diet. Defensive food. It consists of vitamins, minerals and water. This food help in proper functioning and defense of various organs. This diet improves the immune system of the body. It also helps to defend against infection, germs, diseases, etc. It should be 15 to 20% in our diet. Drink 3 to 5 liters of water to maintain water balance of the body. Function of balanced diet. First one is sufficient energy. Balanced diet provides sufficient energy for the various activities of the individual. Next one is optimum growth and development. It helps individual to grow and develop to optimum level. Next is proper functioning of various organs. Balanced diet helps various organs and various organ systems of body to function properly. Faster recovery. It helps to repair or replace the worn out tissues, so faster recovery from injury. Next is efficient immune system. Balanced diet improves the defense of body against various types of bacteria, virus and fungal diseases, so efficient immune system. Improves health status. Balanced diet helps to improve the overall health status of the individual by preventing various health problems and diseases. Improves metabolism. Balanced diet improves the quality of metabolism processes of our body. so efficient release of energy. Next, prevents deficiency diseases. Balanced diet prevents individual from various types of deficiency diseases as it provides all important nutrients. Maintaining body weight. It helps individual to maintain proper body weight. Improves overall efficiency. As balanced diet increases the efficiency of all physiological systems of the body, so overall efficiency of individual improves.